Hey guys, this is your host RJ. iPhone 16 Pro has been a great device, and especially after the launch of iPhone 17 Pro, as now this is the only iPhone with premium materials in comparison with the new series. Let's take a look at the white titanium color. My favorite of the bunch. I am soon going to get the normal iPhone 17, so stay tuned for a lot more videos. Look at that gorgeous pearl white color. This phone is not mine, so I won't peel off the front cover, but just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this phone looks. Now, I don't know about many of you guys, but I had a chance to get a hands on the new 17 Pro, but the feel of the titanium is much better than the aluminum used in the new devices. What is your take on this? Inside the box, you get just a cable and a SIM card remover tool. First impressions? This white finish looks so premium. It's not just glossy, it's got that clean matte vibe, and with the titanium frame, it feels super solid but surprisingly light. But let's be real, the white color is the star here. Minimal, clean, futuristic. If you want your phone to stand out without screaming for attention, this is the one. Inside, it's powered by the A18 Pro chip, and trust me, this thing is blazing fast. Look at these polished edges. Apple really nailed the design this year. It almost feels like a piece of jewelry. The camera design really pops out in this color, and the best thing is that you can rock any type of case with this color and not think much about what looks good. So yeah, this is the iPhone 16 Pro in white. Drop your thoughts below. Would you go for this color or stick with something darker? Personally, I'm obsessed. Also, tell me below, what do you think of the new iPhone 17 Pro series in comparison to its predecessor? Do subscribe, as this is a relatively new channel, so need your support. Now, I will leave this video for you to watch the rest of the white color shots.